Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered how to make your Roblox game more engaging by rewarding players for skill? Giving players in-game currency, like coins or points, when they defeat an opponent is a fantastic way to do this. It really boosts player versus player interactions and provides a clear, satisfying incentive. Let's dive right into how you can set this up in your own game, making it more dynamic and fun for everyone involved. To begin, we need to precisely detect the moment a player's character is defeated. Roblox provides a useful event called Humanoid Died. This event triggers exactly when a humanoid's health drops to 0, signifying their elimination from the game. You'll typically connect a function to this event for each player's character, usually within a character added listener. This ensures every new character is being properly monitored for defeat. After a character dies, the critical next step is figuring out who delivered the final blow. While the Humanoid Died event itself doesn't directly tell us the killer, we can usually trace it back. Often, the weapon or projectile that caused the damage will have a specific creator tag or attacker value attached to it. By checking this property, you can connect the damage source to the player who initiated the attack, ensuring you reward the correct person. Now that you've successfully identified the player responsible for the kill, it's time to grant them their reward. This usually means updating their in-game currency, which is often stored as a leader stat value within their player object. You might have a number value named cash or coins that you simply add to. Remember, all currency modifications should happen on the server side to prevent cheating and ensure data integrity. To truly polish your kill reward system, consider adding a few enhancements. Implementing a cooldown or debounce for rewards can prevent players from exploiting the system for rapid money gains. It's also great to show the killer a clear on-screen notification, letting them know they've received their reward, which provides immediate feedback. Finally, always ensure you're saving player data properly, so their hard-earned money persists between game sessions, keeping them engaged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.